Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, get ready to discover some game-changing money-saving hacks that go beyond the ordinary. We're diving deep into 6 unconventional but highly effective tricks to put more money back in your pocket. Let's jump right in. 1. The grocery store time hack. Did you know that the timing of your grocery shopping can significantly impact your savings? Picture this. Towards the end of the day, many supermarkets mark down fresh produce, bakery items, and even meats that are approaching their sell-by dates. These are perfectly good products that just need to be sold before the next delivery. So, here's your strategy. Plan your grocery run in the evening, and you'll be amazed at the fantastic deals waiting for you. It's like a hidden treasure trove of discounts that most people overlook. Let me break it down further. By shopping later in the day, you're capitalizing on the store's need to clear out perishable items. This not only helps you save money but also minimizes food waste. Imagine scoring top-quality fruits, veggies, and meats at a fraction of the price, all because you timed your grocery shopping right. It's a win-win for your wallet and the environment. Before we go to our second tip, remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel. 2. The subscription pause trick. We all have those subscriptions that we forget about or rarely use, whether it's a streaming service, a magazine subscription, or even a monthly box. The genius of this hack lies in periodically pausing these subscriptions. Most services offer the option to pause for a month or two without canceling altogether. Here's why this is such a game changer. By hitting pause, you not only temporarily halt the outflow of cash but also gain a fresh perspective on whether you truly need that subscription. It's a financial breather that allows you to reassess the value you're getting. And let's be honest. How many times have we continued subscriptions out of habit or forgetfulness? This trick empowers you to take control of your expenses and make intentional choices about where your money goes. Imagine the savings over a year by pausing subscriptions strategically. It's like conducting a financial spring cleaning, decluttering your expenses and ensuring you're only paying for what truly adds value to your life. Plus, you might discover alternatives or find that you didn't miss the subscription as much as you thought. It's a simple yet powerful way to keep more money in your pocket without sacrificing the things you love. 3. The cash-only challenge. In a world dominated by digital transactions, it's easy to lose track of our spending. Here's the deal. Challenge yourself to go cash only for a specific period, say a week or a month. Withdraw a fixed amount of cash for your discretionary spending, like groceries, dining out, and entertainment. Using physical cash creates a tangible connection to your spending. When you physically see the money leaving your wallet, you become more conscious of your choices. It's a psychological trick that often leads to more mindful spending. Additionally, once the cash is gone, it's gone. No swiping cards for impulse purchases. This challenge not only helps you stick to your budget but also sheds light on spending patterns you might not have noticed before. Imagine the satisfaction of finishing the challenge with money left in your wallet. You'll not only have a clearer understanding of your spending habits but also a little extra cash saved up. It's a fun and eye-opening way to take control of your discretionary spending. 4. The Library Overhaul. In an age of digital subscriptions and e-books, the local library is often an underutilized resource. This hack is all about maximizing the value of your library card. Instead of buying books, magazines, or even audiobooks, explore what your library has to offer. Libraries aren't just about physical books anymore. Many offer digital collections, online courses, and even streaming services. By tapping into these resources, you can satisfy your literary and educational cravings without spending a dime. It's not just about saving money. It's about embracing a more sustainable and community-driven lifestyle. Consider this. The average cost of a new hardcover book can be $20 or more. Multiply that by the number of books you read in a year, and you're looking at significant savings by borrowing from the library. Plus, it's a fantastic way to discover new authors and genres without the financial commitment. So, dust off that library card and embark on a budget-friendly reading adventure. 5. The freezer meal marathon. Cooking at home is a fantastic way to save money, but we all know the challenges of finding the time to prepare a meal from scratch every day. That's where the freezer meal marathon comes in. Set aside a weekend or a designated cooking day to prepare a batch of meals in advance. Cooking in bulk not only saves you time during busy weekdays but also helps you take advantage of bulk purchase discounts. Choose recipes that freeze well, portion them into individual servings, and stock your freezer with a variety of ready-to-go meals. This hack not only reduces your reliance on expensive takeout but also minimizes food waste by using ingredients efficiently. Imagine the satisfaction of coming home after a hectic day and having a delicious homemade meal ready in minutes. The Freezer Meal Marathon is a game-changer for both your budget and your time management. 6. The No-Spend Weekend Challenge. Designate certain weekends as no-spend weekends, where you commit to not spending any money on non-essential items. It's a creative way to reset your spending habits and discover the joy of free or low-cost activities. Challenge yourself to explore local parks, have a movie night at home, or engage in hobbies that don't require spending money. This hack not only helps you save but also fosters a deeper appreciation for the simple pleasures in life. Additionally, it provides an opportunity to evaluate your spending triggers and identify areas where you might be prone to impulse purchases. By incorporating regular no-spend weekends into your routine, you'll be surprised at how much you can save over time. It's a mindful approach to spending that encourages intentional choices and brings awareness to your financial priorities. There you have it. 6 extraordinary money-saving hacks to add to your arsenal. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and be sure to subscribe for more unconventional hacks to level up your financial game. Thanks for watching.